Hi, my name is Rosie and welcome to my channel. Today we will be setting up our February budget binder for this month. Let me get a pen and let's get our binder out. Okay, so first off, let's go to February. Oh, I have to take this out. Then let's put it in February. Before I do that, I'm gonna take these out because I gotta put my bill due stickers on them. And then we'll just place this to the side. So here are my February bill due stickers. It's pink and red, matches the theme for this month, aka Valentine's. Okay, there's cat hair. Okay, so first off, let's put our payday stickers on every Tuesday. Should really try to find my tweezers so that this is much more easier to line up. Oh, that kind of ripped a little. Oops. Oh well. Okay. Now for bills due, every Tuesday I pay my fiance my share of rent because it comes from his account. So let's put those stickers down first. Okay, then I have one for the 11th. It's my zip payment. And then I have one for the 25th. That's my Canva payment. And then one for the 28th. It's my art program payment. I think that's it. I'm gonna have to go back and look. So let's label these. And then Clip Studio. Okay, that's it for this page. Now let's put my cash planning, spending tracker, and cash stuffing into the binder. First off, we gotta make sure we put holes in it. Okay. This in the binder. put those in. And then our bookmarker for the current month. So now, looks like this. So my cash planning sheets are up on my Etsy and Coffee, as well as this 2-page monthly layout. I am still slowly putting out the spending tracker, cash stuffing, and the how much did I save printables out. But that's it for this binder. Let's go into our savings challenge binder and put in our new savings challenges for this month. So here are the savings challenges. This one is called Love Hearts. You get to choose your goal amount and how much each icon is going to be. Let's use a red. So I think for let's do this. Okay, this one, it's there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 icons. So 15 times 2, I think that's 30. Yep. So the goal is going to be 30 and each icon is $2. Let's put that here. This is going to be this one will be a freebie up on my Coffee. It won't be it won't be laminated like this. It'll be a digital printable that you could print out. Okay, so this one is going to be a $2 one as well. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 2 is 20. Okay. This one will be up on my Etsy, however. Then this one, Cupid's Gifts. I'm gonna do $5 for each icon, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 icons. So I think that is $100. Yep. Oh, I need another thing. Okay, let's put this one in here. Is it closed? No, it was open. Okay. Just gonna leave that open. Then this one, it's a scratch and save. You get to save $45, and I have like 3 different versions, so not every card will be the same. So if you see a budgeter using this and you want it, it might not be the same same amounts in the circles as the budgeter, because I know I put like the amounts differently in, if that makes sense. Okay, this one needs a sleeve as well. And it fits a A6 like this in the holes. Okay, so that's going to be it for this binder. And actually, that might be it for this whole video. I will see you guys next time.